Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new topic. So today we will discuss in a very brief, like what is product backlog refinement meeting in Agile Scrum, why is it required, some of the practices around the backlog refinement. So let's please start. So what is a product backlog refinement? So backlog refinement is one of the Scrum ceremonies that helps the team to prepare for and understand requirements in advance which are planned for upcoming sprint or iteration. So all we want to do is understand the requirements that may come to the team in the new sprint or upcoming sprint. So product owner in the Scrum, he is the person who is owning the product backlog. So product owner is scheduled this meeting in the last week of a current sprint so that he can align with the team, and team can also understand these are the set of user story which are planned and prioritized for the upcoming sprint, right? So PO is responsible that he guides the team in terms of refining the backlog, helping the team understanding, okay, these are the new set of requirements or these are the new set of user story which are coming to them in the new sprint, right? And team can use this particular meeting to understand those. So a typical backlog refinement meeting may have some of these items. I mean, the very first one obviously is understanding the user stories or the new set of prioritized requirements. So having a walkthrough on them, discussing around those user stories, resolving any queries. So if team has any queries, any doubts, any questions on those user stories, those can be clarified in the refinement itself. And also its refinement means that, in case if we have to refine any new requirement, write it properly, update it, or write any user story, so those things can also be included in this particular meeting. Moving to the next one. So what if there is any team which is not doing the refinement? So what will happen? So see, the very first obvious impact will be that team will come to the new sprint planning unprepared. So if they are not doing refinement, if they are not understanding, okay, what is it which is coming to them, so that means they will be coming to the sprint planning unprepared. That's the very first drawback. Second thing is our planning meeting may take more time because product owner has to answer teams queries around the new user stories and requirements, right? So I mean, if we are targeting to finish planning meeting, let's say in 1 hour or 2 hours as per our sprint duration, it may take like some time more. And third impact is team lacks visibility, which can hinder their sprint performance. So it's agile or the Scrum is all about being transparent, being visible in our approach. So if team foresee, okay, they are not getting a clear chunk of requirements, or I mean, if they have started a sprint and they haven't got a clear view on the what needs to be done, that can hinder their performance. So that's why it's very important that in the last week of our current sprint, we take some time and do the backlog refinement to help understand, okay, what is it which is coming to the team's way. So that's all. I mean, this particular video is coming after a while, and thanks for your patience and thanks for all your time. Thank you. Keep subscribing.